Hi, my name's Hugh from the Mini Specialist, and today I'll take you around this 2013 Mini Countryman Automatic. So this is a one-owner car, done 63,000 miles since new, and it is actually rather immaculate, I would say. We have done some painting on this. The only thing we've done, we've painted these grille slats because they were chrome and they had faded. We also painted these sections here. And they were silver and also had faded, but I do think that gloss black really sets it off, makes the car stand out a little bit more. So let's just go around the car once and then I'll dive in for a bit of a closer look. There's no major damage that I can find on the car. There might be one or two very minor, age-related marks here and there, but you know what, for, what is it, an 8-year-old car, it's very good indeed, and it's been well looked after. So that's the once around. Dive in for a bit of a better look. I mean, quite often the fog lights get corroded on the inside. They're both good. There's no sun damage at all on the headlights. I can't see any major or minor actually damage to the bonnet. Oh yeah, hang on. There's a tiny little dent there. And what's that? A stone chip there. So you've got two areas there. You can't see it when you stand back, but that's there. Looking at this passenger wheel, tread in good condition, and the actual wheel itself is in excellent condition. Coming down this side, there's no major, or any actually, dinks or car park bruises that I can see. Pretty good. Sometimes you get them on the crease here, but nothing to speak of. I think there's something very minor there, if you look closely, but I'm being picky now. Okay, this tiny blemish there. Back wheel, tread in excellent condition. The wheel is unmarked. Coming around to the rear. No, that's just a bit of fluff. Rear parking sensors, of course, bumpers in good condition. There is a slight mark here where that's been pushed in. Opening the boot, all nice and tidy, very clean. Coming down the driver's side, looking at this tyre, it's a very, very good tread. The wheel itself is unmarked. And then along here, I don't think there's any bruises or dinks at all. It's all very tidy. Mirror back's in good condition. I don't know what they call these. This diagonal bit of trim we've painted. Wheel in good condition, and tread also very good. So back down to the front. Let's have a look on the inside. In through the rear door, the seats on the Countryman all recline, and you can see that centre one is at a funny angle. We can actually change it by pulling on this, and then actually it's the wrong one. That comes forward, so you could fold this all the way forward or recline it if you want to go back, and then this one the same. The seat itself, there's an adjustment on it so you can pull it forward. I need to do this off camera. It's stiff, but you can see that seat's moved forward now, and those two move forward in one go, but it gives you more boot space if you want it. Into the driver's door, we see this is the facelift model, so we've got the 4 electric windows on the door. The pre-facelift, the window switches are on the centre console. Coming in through and having a grab a seat. Everything in here is pretty tidy. Instead of chrome, we've got black rings on these binnacles. 6-speed automatic. We have a phone holder here. We have a central armrest here. Kind of very swish little sunglass case. This is your handbrake. It looks a bit weird to start with, but once you've used it for a bit, it's like kind of going back to the other one is more weird feeling. If you've not driven a Mini before, then this is the key, and there are 2 keys. We pop the key into the slot like that, press your foot on the brake as being an automatic, and then press the start button. And then the car fires up straight away. all the lights go out, and as you can see, as of today, the car's done 63,208 miles. Put the side lights on for some backlighting. We have steering wheel controls. I think we have, no, we don't have voice control, it's a waste of time anyway, but we do have a phone, Bluetooth phone, cruise control, and on the radio we have tuner, DAB, CD, aux in and USB in, and the USB and the aux in are on this car, actually they're here, so that's there. We have heated seats for passenger, heated seat for driver, front and rear fog lights. We have a sport mode, and the sport mode is actually more to change how aggressively the gearbox changes, and that locks and unlocks the doors. Climate control, of course, so you can just dial up the temperature you want to press auto. So that's a very quick walk around of this 2013 Mini Countryman Automatic. It's in excellent condition, full service history, one owner from you, so you would be the second owner, 6-speed automatic gearbox, 12 months RAC warranty, with a £2,000 per claim limit, and you also get 12 months free RAC roadside assistance thrown in. Thanks for watching, bye for now.